Hey there, it's Rachel from Genie, and in this video, I'll guide you through fixing the issue of the Instagram music option not appearing in your notes. If you've been facing this problem, stick around as I walk you through some simple steps to resolve it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Now, let's dive into the steps. First things first, ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Even after updating, if you still don't see the music notes feature, tap your profile icon, then the three-dash menu, followed by Messages and Story Replies. Under How Others Can Interact with You, then click on Show Activity Status. Ensure that this option is turned on. Now, go back to Homepage. Then, tap the Messenger icon. Click on Note here. You can see your Instagram notes has been fixed. If you still don't have the notes feature, take a screenshot of the notes and save it. Then, navigate to Settings and Privacy, select Help, and click on Report a Problem. Disable Shake Phone to report a problem. Include complete logs, upload the screenshot, and write a simple description requesting assistance. Within hours, check your Instagram again, and you should see the notes feature added. If you're still facing issues, try installing an alternative version of Instagram, which I'll link in the description below. Thanks for watching.